Hey guys, and welcome back. Uh, okay, we're going to talk about a new topic, which is slot type preferences. What's a slot type? Okay, let's back to our console and I'll go to the project. If you remember, we say hello world intent. Okay, here we just say hey, 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 hello, which is like the static type. Okay, we don't send any specific value or dynamic value. For example, I want to say hey, or like the hello Reza, hello Jack, hello Bob. See, the Bob or Jack or Reza, it's the dynamic value, so every time it will change. So we need to give this some trigger to the Alexa that these names are dynamic value and every time could be changed. So how we pass the dynamic value to our backend is we call it slots. A slot type is the uh, by default Amazon Alexa have a many table of series a table of contents have by default have a many slots here, Amazon dates or duration or time, or I think have a person as well. Yeah, Amazon.person and name, for example, is full of real and it's a real name like the Barack Obama, Batman, whatever you want. You can use the Amazon person. So how we can create the slot type? So it's easy. If you remember, we go to GitHub project. Okay, I'm using the GitHub project again. Last time we choose the hello world. Now we choose the color picker project, and which edited just 18 hours ago. I opened the color picker project. Same things happen. I will choose the go to the model, open the JSON. I will copy. You can copy all, but if you copy all JSON, our hello handler will be dismissed. So we don't want to sorry, we don't want to miss this hello world intent. So you can just sorry, where were we? Yeah, you can just copy the my color intent, and yeah, what's color intent? Two intents we have: my color intent and what's my color intent. So I already copy and paste into my console developer. I go to JSON editor and we show you. I copy my color intent and also what's my color intent. So by default, I added what's my color, or all these things already there. So you can add or remove any of them. So a part of this, I already copied the types as well. So by default, you can choose one of the slots like the Amazon person. If you want to capture the names, you can choose the Amazon person. If you want to capture the post address, okay, you can choose this one. If you want to, I don't know, give the for example, I am a musician, I am a developer. So you're talking about the jobs. Okay, so you can choose the Amazon professional type. So by default, they have many jobs here, so you don't need to add by yourself. But if you don't want to use the slot, Amazon slots, you can create it by your own, which is a customized slots. So here I already copied the types slots, which the name is a list of the colors and the value is a list of the string, green, blue, purple, or whatever you want. So see, this is our hello world intent, we call it. We created it last time. So we have two new intents. What's my color intent, which is the same as the hello world intent. So whenever we say what's my color, this it will go to our backend part, the Java program. So we have another intent, which is the slot. We call it this one as a slot. So this is a new topic that I'm going to talk about it. So my color is something. My favorite color is something. So how we capture this something, which is a dynamic value, we use the slots. So this is of course is a string, is a name. So we can create the new slots. So here you can create a new one. So you can, since we have a color, so we put the name. Sorry, yeah. Okay. Since we have a color, so our slot name should be the same color. So this is the important one. What's the type of this? Is it the name? Is it the job? Is it I don't know, whatever. If it's a jobs, okay, so you can choose the Amazon professional type. If it's the name, capture the person name, which is the many names, okay, you can choose Amazon.person. If it's a music video, okay, you can choose this one. So we are capturing the color, so we prefer to create our own slot type. So create the slot types. So here, see, you can choose anything: artist, animal, airport name. So we create the new slot type, which is a list of the colors. So yeah, list of the slip color. So I go to an editor, and this is our all list of colors. So you can add or remove it. Okay, quite straightforward. So here you learn how to add the new slot to your Amazon Alexa. So again, we need to capture these two in our backend or project. So let's back to our code. In our code, I already bring those handler here, which is the my color intent handler, and also what's my color intent handler, which is the two intent handler we just created. My color intent and what's my color intent. My color intent handler, what's my color intent handler. So after we say hello, we can say my color is blue, my color is red. So how we capture it? It will listen to this handler intent, my color intent. So it's quite straightforward. We receive the inputs, handler input. So this is our request, and our request we get the input intent request, and here is the important part. Yeah, so slot.get. So we have to get the slot. A slot.get means that which key you are referring to. Our key is color, which means that this is a color. So you may have the many intents. For example, my color is first color and second color. Okay, so you are getting two key. So here you can yeah, you can get the two key color slot, which is the color, first color, okay, or let's say, let's do like this. First color yeah, cool. And later you can play around, you can do whatever you want. So we captured the first color and the second color, first color and second, but right now for this sample we just go with the one color. Okay, so I'll revert back. Cool, we get the color value here. The slot is the get value. So this is a value of our color, favorite color. So whatever you say, my color is blue, the value will sit on this favorite color. And then we will, you know, pass this message. I know your favorite color is something. Okay, so we pass this something is a favorite color, is it blue or red or whatever. Okay, so and another things that I want to say is here, which we added to session. So after we get this color, which is the blue or red, whatever, we just simply set it to the session. Okay, so the session attribute, just input get attribute, you know that, of course you know that. So we just put it in the session. In the next page, which we trigger what's my color intent handler, we just simply get the value from the session, favorite color, and give the response to the user. Your favorite color is something. So what's the something is a favorite color. Where is this favorite color comes? It's from our session, which we set it in our previous call. Straightforward. Okay, cool. So yeah, everything seems okay. Oh no, except one thing that I told you. After you create a new handler, you have to add it to your you know, the initializer or the main class. So since I didn't add it, so I just added here my color instance handler. The next one is what's my color instance handler. Cool. So I add these two new handler on my into my project. So we have it, these two, and everything works fine. Let's build my project again because I modified my project, so I need to rebuild it. Cool, build success. So let's back and here into our console, we upload our project again with the dependency, this one, which is just now created, save. Saving, save, perfect. So we can test our project. Just bear in mind that we need to ask my color is something or my favorite color is something. Okay, let's go to the test console. Jay, you may have not been saying what did we did. Oh, okay, we just skip it, run it, save, do this, so it's building. It should be fine. So okay, fine. Let's go to test. Just curious to know that again my microphone has a problem. First project.
I couldn't find any enabled video skills.
Yeah.
Go to the Alexa app to find and enable video skills and devices.
Project.
Welcome to our first Alexa project. You can say hello.
Yeah, project trigger, so we say hey.
Hello from my first Alexa project.
Then say my color is, of course yellow is my favorite color.
I now know that your favorite color is yellow. You can ask me your favorite color by saying, what's my favorite color?
Cool. When we say my color is yellow, our backend, which is the my color with trigger, okay, my color is something. So we just get the value from like this slots. So this is my favorite color. Now we return this message. I know blah blah. Okay, so now Alexa knows that my favorite color is yellow. So the next step is ask Alexa, what's my favorite color? Cool. Let's see how Alexa is implementing. What is my
Your favorite color is yellow. Goodbye.
Perfect. Now Alexa knows my favorite color. That's cool. So yeah, what's my favorite color? What's my favorite color is, we trigger this class, which we get the value from the session because we set my favorite color in the session in our previous call. Now Alexa will capture the value from the session and return the value. Your favorite color is something, which value is yellow. So this is the very good example to show the Amazon Alexa skills and capability. You can extend this expand this capability to whatever you want. For example, you can create a new, let's back to skills, my first project. Then here you can add many intents like turn on lamp. So whenever you say, hey Alexa, turn on my lamps, okay, so in your Java project here you will capture the this message, and whenever you receive the turn on lamp intent, you can access to your web services, you can access to REST controller or what. So it's up to you. You can build a very intelligent product. Yeah, why not? So guys, that's all for today. We can close the topic, and thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, do not hesitate to contact me, and you can find me on LinkedIn, or you can ask a question on this YouTube. So once again, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and stay in touch. See you, and bye bye.